Task number 2, environment setup, is part of the Gobuster The Basics room inside the Cybersecurity 101 learning path on TryHackMe. Let's see. This room will use the Ubuntu virtual machine acting as a web server. This web server hosts multiple subdomains and virtual hosts. The web server also has 2 content management systems, CMS is installed, WordPress being the most popular, and Joomla. So this room will use the attack box where Gobuster is already installed to enumerate the web server directories and subdomains. However, if you prefer to use your own machine instead of the attack box, you must be connected to the TryHackMe VPN and have Gobuster installed. You can find installation instruction for Gobuster on your own machine in the official Gobuster GitHub repository. If we hop in here, because Gobuster is an open source, quick start, there you go, how to install. Or if you want other ways to install it, you will find it over here, including usages and so on. Start the machine. Important, we work in a local network in the DNS server on the web server. To ensure we can resolve the domains used through this room, you need to change the DMS files. Okay. Let the machine to be opened, and then we'll do these steps to make sure that we have the machine in the following DNS mask. Okay, we enter the name server and then the IP, we save it, and then we do a restart. And then we check it out to make sure that it's there. This is, for instance, an example that's already in there. And we go to see let's see, resolve DNS mask. We can see here the name server, and now we insert in here name server, and we go for 10.66.168.133, write and quit. And then we do from etc, we go in init.d, DNS mask restart. Restarting the service, and after that they cat the DNS mask file just to make sure that the record is in there. Restarting, that's done. We go back in here and we cat that. Perfect. We have it there. I assign the IP as the first name server. Well, it's not the first, but let's change it back. Then we cat, make sure that's first. Cool.